How to make a self-watering greenhouse. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden. Here we talk about gardening, ways to save money and other special events. Today we're going to be making a self-watering greenhouse with two plastic recyclable containers. So use a knife to make an incision. And use the scissors. The scissors to cut like this. So yeah, you have it. Do the smaller one. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the paper from the bottle. So we take out the paper like that. And the next thing we're gonna do is we wanna cut this. We wanna make sure that I'll say like 40, take up the 40, top 40% off, or 1/4. Just cut it like that. And there you go. You have the two halves. So that is it. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make holes at the bottom of this. You can use a drill. You can use a drill like this, or you can use this to make holes at the bottom. So what I've done right here, as you see, I just made a couple of holes at the bottom. So I have 4 holes at the bottom. Once we have our holes, we have a hose on the container. The next thing we want to do is we want to fill the container with our seed starting mix. Here is my seed starting mix. I make my own seed starting mix. I have a video. I'll see if I can put the link below or up here on how to make your own good quality starting mix at a low price. So for pennies, instead of buying at the store. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill this container up with our seed starting mix. So we're just gonna put so just fill it up like that. Just tap it down a couple of times. It's gonna settle. You want it to settle because the wicking action, it needs the soil to be a little bit compact for the wicking action to take place, for the water to be absorbed. So just tap it down like that. You can add a little more if you want. So the next thing we have to do is water it. Just put a little bit of water. And it's gonna settle down. Just water it a little bit. See, it's settled down a little bit. So now we can plant our seeds. So I'm gonna plant pepper seeds. So now I'm gonna plant pepper seeds. I'm gonna plant some pepper seeds. Here it is. Then so usually I put like 2 or 3 seeds in here. So let's put 1 here, 1 there. So I'm putting I put 3 seeds in here, but once it germinates, I can transplant it to other containers. What you want to do is just push it down like that. You just cover the seeds. That's it. So after planting our seeds, as you see, the water's already coming out. After planting our seeds, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our container. We're gonna put water inside the container. We're gonna put water inside the container like that. Just a little bit of water. And then we're gonna put our container inside here, like that. So that way, when the mix or what is in the container dries up, the seed starter dries up, it can wick out more water, and it's gonna continue providing water to the plant. The next thing we can do here is we have to cover it with this. Is you just close it with this. So now what you do is you put this in a warm area on the window. You can put it on the windowsill or nice warm area, and the seed's gonna germinate. Okay, here it is. It's been like 3 weeks now. I completely forgot to make a video when I was separating the others that were inside, that grew inside. So I took out two of them that had grown fully, as you see. I took out two of them that had grown fully. Then I left just one. So this is and it's doing well. Okay, let's take a look at it. As you see, it's doing well. The water is inside. The water wicks up from the bottom and feeds the plant. So it's a great greenhouse with water, everything. You don't need to water it daily. You just make sure it has enough water in there to sustain it for weeks. So once it's grown above this level, hopefully by the time it grows to the top level, should be time to transplant it to the bigger container in the greenhouse or outside. Let me know in the comments below if you've done something like this or if you've seen something like this. If you've tried it, just let me know how it goes. But I think it's something great that would help you start your seeds indoors and make sure you have a much better season. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so that way you get informed for any new videos. And I hope you're able to share with friends and families. Thank you and have a fabulous day.